How to calculate the net present value in Excel. For this to work, we need a forecast of our expected free cash flows. As you can see, we are using a free cash flow forecast here. And what we want to do is we want to know what the value of these free cash flows is if we discount them to the value they have today. We do this by using a discount rate, in our case, of 10% per year. This means every year we're going 1 year forward, we discount by 10%. In 2 years, we discount 2 times per 10%, and in 5 years forward, we discount 5 years back 10%. That will be the present value. The question is, what's the present value of all of this, taking into account the timing of their forecast? In Excel, this is very easy to do. All we need is to apply the NPV formula, and we need first to say what the discount rate is and what the discount rate we will use will be. Then, we need to mark all the forecasts with free cash flows. That's it. If we sum up the cash flow, we would have a value nominal of 2,300. Because we discount them, these values have much less present value, so we only get 1,078 in terms of NPV. Visit our website and follow us for more.